Hi guys, welcome to Aguirre's Kitchen. In this recipe we will be using hominy already pre-cooked and California chili powder instead of chili pots. This is a very easy and fast recipe for pozole for a fast breakfast, lunch or dinner made in an Instapot pressure cooker. I also use pork loin cut up in cubes, but this time I did not use it. I will be adding it in the description box with the ingredients. So all the ingredients will be under the video, okay, in the description box. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so and activate the notification bell so you can come back anytime I upload a video. Okay, we're gonna be needing a pressure cooker with a capacity of 8 quarts. Here I have 5 pounds of neck bone, pork neck bone, and again the ingredients will be under the video, okay, in the description box. We will be needing 1 onion. I am going to be using this pre-cooked hominy, and like I said in the beginning, we will be using the California chili powder instead of the chili pots. Well, here we go. We will be adding water up to the water line. This is very important. Just cover the meat and make sure you do not overflow with water because it will make a mess. Okay, here I am showing you again all the ingredients. That will be again in the description box below. I'm just letting you know what I used in my whole recipe, plus other stuff that you will be seeing later on. Okay, here's everything that we will be needing. So when we start cooking the meat, the only thing that I will be adding will be the whole onion. And if you do not have minced garlic, use a whole head of garlic cut in half. Okay, here's the minced garlic that I'm going to use, and I'm actually going to use like 1 tablespoon, and the bay leaves. That's the only 3 things that we're going to be adding to this right now. Okay, here's the bay leaves, the water, and I'm telling you again, please do not overflow. There's the onion, and here we go with the garlic, and it will be 1 heaping tablespoon. Well, not really heaping, but yeah. This is just to get the flavor going. Here we will be putting it in the where it says meat stew, and it'll give you 45 minutes. Or you can also just leave it on the pressure cook for 45 minutes on high. Okay. After we put it on the 45 minutes or in stew, we will be closing the vent. Make sure you close it and not leave it open. The ingredients and the amounts that I'm giving you is perfect for this 8-quart pressure cooker. Okay, so just make sure that you use what I'm showing you here. Don't put more hominy, don't put more water, just exactly what I gave you. And here we go. The pozole is ready. Wow, the meat is already cooked. Don't forget to take out the onion, the bay leaves out. And I forgot to tell you, I also added some oregano right before I closed the cover. Okay, but you don't need to do it right now. I mean before, you can also do it now. When you're gonna add the chili powder, you can add oregano and whatever your heart desires. This pozole is to your taste. Okay, everybody's taste is different, and when you see the ingredients that I'm putting in and the amounts, that is the way I like it, and it's very well seasoned. So don't think that it's a lot of salt, a lot of accent, because it's not. It's just perfect. I will be trying to more or less I don't measure when I cook. I measure when I bake, but not when I cook. So again, it's all to taste. Here I added more garlic, more minced garlic. Remember, if you don't have minced garlic, add the whole garlic cut in half. Again, like everybody's taste is different. So here I am adding the Goya seasoning. Let's say maybe 3 tablespoons. Again, I don't measure when I cook, I just add. And then we're gonna be using chicken bouillon. Here I think I just put like 1 tablespoon because of the rest of the ingredients. See, it wasn't even the whole, well, yeah, this is a cooking spoon. It's not a measuring spoon. So it was like half of it. And again, I don't measure when I cook, and we all have different taste buds. Here I am going to start adding the accent. You're gonna think it's a lot, but no, this is not salt. This is also like maybe 3 to 4 tablespoons, like measuring tablespoons, or just put it in your hand and start adding with your hand, just like I'm gonna add the salt in a little bit, kind of like that. It's because I already have my measurements done. So you measure as you please. Like, you know, everything here is to taste. I'm just giving you an idea on how I make my pozole. You might like it less accent. If you can see, I always use that accent in every dish I have. If you go to my videos, you will see that I always have that accent. It's not salty or nothing. It just brings the flavor out of anything that you make, your soups, your meat, anything. I mean, I can't cook. You can ask my kids, you can ask my husband, everybody, they will tell you I never cook without it. I use it in my carne asada, my chicken, my fish, soups, anything. See how I measured my salt here? Well, you can measure your accent like that. I probably did like 3 heaping things like that of accent. The only difference is that I just poured it in. But let me tell you, it's not salty at all. It's just the perfect seasoning. It was delicious. It is delicious. And I'm telling you, I always make it. And the thing is that it is fast. Like, you can just get up. Hey, put your pressure cooker there. Put your meat. Go take a shower. Do your makeup. When you come back, your pozole is ready. Right now, we're going to be adding the chili powder and the hominy. And make sure you add the hominy like really slow so you don't get burned or splashed all over the place. But yes, here we go. Oh, see, this is where I put the oregano. I didn't put it before, sorry. So all you're gonna do is add the oregano, stir. Oh my god, that was so good. Seriously, I'm not even kidding you. You have to try it. You have to make it. And if you do, make sure you tell me. Let me know. Put it on my Facebook page, on my Aguirre's Kitchen Martitas page on Facebook or Instagram. I also have that group on Facebook called Aguirre's Kitchen and Vlogs. You can, if you make this recipe, go ahead and post it there, and I will repost and share. Here's the chili powder. It's the whole bag. Again, the ingredients, the amounts I'm giving you is perfect for this crock pot, for the 8-quart. And this will feed probably like 20 people, 15 to 20 people. And it's in a good amount. So yes. Like seriously, I hope you do make it and share it with me. Let me know that you liked it or not. Whichever. Here I am tasting it, and it was just perfect. I didn't have to add nothing else. It was just the right everything. And we let it boil a little, and we're gonna add the hominy. By the way, you're gonna see here that I took a cup out of the liquid because when I add my hominy, pre-cooked by the way, it wasn't gonna fit. And again, I didn't want it to overflow because there's a certain line in a pressure cooker or Instapot that you cannot add more water than that. So I was trying to keep it under that, but it didn't work. It was all the way up to the rim. But that's fine because I wasn't gonna close it again, because you do not close it or cook it with the pressure top on. You just let it boil like that, just until it comes back to a boil and all the flavors mingle with each other and marry. And once they get to know each other, the pozole is ready to eat. And here again, I am adding the hominy, which is in Spanish le dicen grano. And yeah, just here you go, it's all there. Well, I hope you guys like this recipe and that you enjoyed the video and I didn't bore you. I just wanted to share with you guys how I myself make my pozole. Everybody makes it different. Again, everybody has different taste buds, but this is the way I like it. This is the way my family likes it, and it's my kitchen. So yeah, if you would like to make it, I guarantee you 100% that you will love it. So if you do, go ahead and share it. Again, in my Facebook, I have a page there, which is Aguirre's Kitchen, Martita. I also have my Facebook group, which is Aguirre's Kitchen and Blogs, and my Facebook, which is Aguirre's Kitchen. So you can add me as a friend if I'm able to accept the request, because Facebook sometimes doesn't let me. You can be there. If not, you can go to my group or to my page and like it. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so. Activate the notification bell so whenever I upload any videos, you guys can come and check them out. Give me a like and share if you would like. I would love it if you shared with your friends and family. So here we go. Pozole is ready. I will leave you to watch the rest and see you on my next video. This is your friend Aguirre, Marta or Martita. Peace and love. Love you guys.